Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor not waking from sleep. So here's a guide for your DP wake, power settings and hard reset. Fix 1. Wake the computer. Move the mouse, press a key on the keyboard. Press the computer's power button once. Do not hold it. Fix 2. Check the monitor's power. Make sure the monitor's power light is on. If it is off, press the monitor's power button. Fix 3. Reconnect the display cable. Unplug the HDMI or DisplayPort cables from both the monitor and the computer. Plug it back in securely. Fix 4. Power cycle the monitor. Turn off the monitor. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and turn the monitor on. Fix 5. Try a different cable or port. Test another HDMI or DisplayPort cable. If available, use a different port on the monitor or computer. Fix 6. Update graphics driver. Install the latest graphics driver for your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card. Restart your computer after updating. Fix 7. Change power settings. Open your computer's power settings, turn off fast startup, and test if the monitor wakes normally. Fix 8. Reset the monitor. Open the monitor's on-screen menu, go to Settings, select Reset or Factory Reset and confirm. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also to hit the subscribe button.